Hi everyone, this video is going to go over showing you how to reset a student who's locked out of their DMAC. So, first thing you want to do is you're going to sign in. You're going to go under local segment to T-score. Here's going to open up a new tab. We're going to go to responses, and this time we're going to click online sessions. Once online sessions loaded, give it just a moment. Here you're going to see that we can come over and drag to the bottom. It will allow you to hover over the test and it's going to show you which ones. So for example, I am going to click on here. You can see all of my students have submitted their benchmarks and are good to go. They have the check mark. Here you can see that I have two students that are working on it currently. I have one student has submitted theirs, and then I have this student here who needs a reset because he has been locked out. This student, what I'm going to do is click on this option here in the middle, the option that says cancel. I will click cancel. It says you have requested to cancel a student session for said student. Do you wish to continue? I'm going to click continue. Now it's going to show me the option that his test has been canceled and we have a reset button. So I'm going to click on this now new button and it's going to ask, do you want to reset a student session for this student? We're going to continue. And now this student has the access to open up, and when he re-logs in, it's going to show that he is active like my other students. Another great thing about going through this area is, say for example, he's able to do it when he tells you that he is ready, you can quickly click on the rubrics option, which is going to take us back to these students, and you can see that this student has already opened up her DMAC. I just need to go in there and input her score. So for example, she also received a 2 or a 50, and all I'm going to do is click the save button, and now her score has changed. And that is how you unlock a student who gets locked out of DMAC.